So this is the first bike we found. It's a little Rocket Huffy. And when we got it, the steering was all loose. I already tightened it all back up. And we put air in the tires. The back one held. The front one, the valve stem completely fell out of it when I grabbed it. So this one needs a new tube. The chain seems good. It pedals, the brakes work. So just besides the front tire, this is a pretty good bike. So this is the other bike. I found it today at the same dumpster. It doesn't seem like a bad bike. The handlebars are crooked, so we'll fix that. It pedals, the brakes work. I haven't tried to put any air in the tires, but they're pretty low, and I feel like they will hold air, but this tire is pretty bald, like it's showing wire in some places, so probably replace that. Alright, so update on this bike. Both the tires aired up. They're holding air, it seems like. And got the handlebars straightened out. So this bike's looking pretty good.
I don't want to do it, but I want to do it.
Alright, so me and Gus working back on the bikes we're gonna give away. Be careful, it'll fall over.
Oh, hey.
I'm gonna show Gus how to do this. So Gus, we're taking this front tire off.
Yeah.
Because it's flat.
Yeah, it's going to put a new one on.
Right, exactly. What are we doing today, Gus?
Putting this off and giving somebody else and put it on a different tire, right?
Yeah, we're taking this off and fixing the tire.
Hey, just do this and do this. Can I hold this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like doing it like this.
Like that? You gonna film me? Look,
I don't want to feel you.
you don't want to film me?
I want to feel the bike.
Film the bike.
I can't. Look at this.
Alright, look Gus. Put the wrenches on here. Now spin it.
It's spinning.
Yeah, there you go. Keep going.
It came off.
Yeah, keep going until it comes off.
You can put it on there.
Yeah, I know, I'm still working on it.
Are you trying to fix it? Daddy, I'm stepping on this one.
Alright, pump it up.
Yeah, keep going. Look at you, big muscle man. Yes, sir. Yeah, push hard. Push. You need a little help? Yeah, push. One more. Alright. One more. Alright, that should be good.
So we put on a new one, but that one's broken today. Hey, I'm talking to them again.
Who?
The camera. I'm talking to the camera again.
Alright, talk to him.
Huh?
Let him know what's up.
What's up?
You gotta point it at yourself.
I don't want to.
You don't want to point. You don't want yourself to be in the video.
No. I want you to be the bicycle on the pillow. Daddy, which one? See?
Alright, y'all get ready? Set, go! Go, Gus, go!
Was that fun?
So where are we racing to?
Yeah, y'all gonna race again? Yeah. Same thing. Go. All right. Who? Him?
He beat me on feet. I beat him on a bicycle, then he beat me on a bicycle. Oh yeah, that's not. You gotta do that again. Do the burnout.
Gus, do a burnout.
Even though it's a little kid, like I love burnouts.
All right. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Go fast, Gus. Go, go, go. All right.
So after working on the bikes, I took Gus outside so he could ride his Stasic around a little bit. And there was a group of kids out there riding bikes, and a couple of them didn't have bikes. So me and Gus went ahead and just gave them the bicycles we fixed up so they have something to ride. And it was pretty cool because then all the kids got to sit there and race each other and have a good time. So I'm glad they got to get repurposed and some kids get to enjoy them now. And I enjoyed working on them with Gus, showing them how to use tools and stuff. So that was pretty fun. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, comment. If you share, that'd be pretty cool too. But all that helps, get us more views with the YouTube algorithm and all that. So appreciate you guys' time. Have a good one.